Hi everyone, today's headlines. MHA's new COVID guidelines. State COVID-19 tally nears 11,000 mark. Argentinian football legend Maradona dies. ISL Mumbai secure 1-0 to Goa. Congress crisis manager Ahmed Patel dies at 71. 600 kgs cannabis seized along Assam-Nagaland border. Cyclone Nivar over 1 lakh vacated from Tamil Nadu Puducherry. Cabinet suspends Wafer VC. Army Chief inaugurates residential facility at KODH. News in details. MHA's new COVID guidelines. Amid a spurt in coronavirus cases in some regions, the Centre on Wednesday said states and union territories can impose local restrictions like night curfew to check the spread of COVID-19, but made it clear that they will not have consulted it before imposing any lockdown outside the containment zones. While issuing guidelines for surveillance, containment and caution for December, the MHA said the main focus of the directive is to consolidate substantial gains which are visible in the steady decline in the number of active cases in the country. State COVID-19 tally nears 11,000 mark. Nagaland on Wednesday reported 60 COVID-19 positive cases from across the state, 35 in Dimapur, 21 in Kohima and 2 each in Mon and Peran, taking the tally to 10,991. State Health Minister S. Pangifom in his daily update informed that 66 patients have been recovered, 46 in Dimapur, 19 in Kohima and 1 in Zunabato. Out of the total 10,991 positive cases, 9,357 have recovered and currently there are 1,465 active cases in the state. Argentinian football legend Maradona dies. Diego Maradona has died from a heart attack just days after turning 60. The Argentinian football legend died at home, his lawyer said, just 3 weeks after his surgery on a blood clot in his brain. Maradona won the World Cup with Argentina in 1986, having knocked England out of the tournament in a match which saw him score the infamous Hand of God goal and another, widely considered to be one of the greatest goals of all time. ISL Mumbai secured 1-0 win over Goa. Adam Lee Fontry late penalty 90 plus 5 minutes secured a win for Mumbai City against the 10-man FC Goa at the Fatorda Stadium in Goa on Wednesday. According to Goal.com, Goa looked the dominant side in the first half as they enjoyed plenty of the ball and created several chances to score. They were more fluent in their gameplay compared to Mumbai, who failed to settle in the game throughout the first half. Lobero missed Ahmad Johi's service at the center of the park, and his team failed to create chances without the Moroccan midfielder dictating play. Congress crisis manager Ahmed Patel dies at 71. Barely 2 days after the death of former 3-time Chief Minister of Assam and Congress stalwart Tarun Gogoi, the Congress lost another senior party leader, top strategist and troubleshooter Ahmed Patel, who died in the Gurugram hospital in the early hours of Wednesday following complications related to COVID-19. He was 71. The last rites of the senior leader, who was confident, crisis manager and consensus builder for the Congress, will be held in Bharuch in his home state, Gujarat on Thursday, sources close to family said. 600 kg cannabis seized along Assam-Nagaland border. In a major development, the Dhile police have seized a huge consignment of ganja from a 10-wheeler truck along Assam-Nagaland border here on Tuesday. Based on specific information, SI Manujal Gogoi and staff set up a mobile check over NS36 in Assam-Nagaland interstate border and successfully recovered around 600 kg ganja from a Guwahati-bound truck late Tuesday evening. Cyclone Nivar over 1 lakh vacated from Tamil Nadu Puducherry. Over 1 lakh people have been evacuated from the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry in order to tide over the worst challenge put up by Cyclone Nivar that is expected to make a landfall in the early hours of Thursday, the National Disaster Response Force chief said on Wednesday. The National Disaster Response Force has earmarked a total of 50 teams, with 30 being deployed on the ground in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andhra Pradesh, in view of the cyclone moving ahead from the Bay of Bengal towards the coastal areas. Cabinet suspends Wafer VC. The state cabinet on Wednesday decided to suspend Wafer Village Council following the November 18 incident at Tongsu village under Noklek district. Sources informed that the cabinet during its meeting held Wednesday decided to suspend WVC for some time. It has also decided to depute a standing committee to resolve the issue amicably. Army Chief inaugurates residential facility KODH. Chief of Army Staff General Manoj, who is on the 3-day visit to Northeast, inaugurated a new residential facility at Kohima Orphanage and Destitute Home, Kohima on Wednesday. KODH is located on NS29 approximately 8 km away from Kohima town. According to Defence release, the new facility would be run by the Assam Rifles, which organized construction and furnishing of the facility that presently takes care of 95 children including 26 girls. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.